Let's go. Oh, let's make sure I'm plugged in. Okay. Turn that off. I don't know how long that was on. Had Wi-Fi on for some reason. All right. Hey, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Don't mind me, just Wednesdaying. Yes, in case you're wondering, we have the Orbem order t-shirt, which you can find at orbem.shop. It's actually really comfy. It's not like a silk screen, it's like transferred to the fabric, so it's really soft. Just touching myself. Alright, here we go. So, I've been working on some of the logic that we were trying to finish up yesterday off stream. Namely, when you talk to an NPC, face the NPC. And vice versa, I'm going to make the NPC face you as well, so you face each other. It's been a lot harder than I thought. I thought me facing them would have been a lot easier, but I'm having a lot of issues with the image swapping. Oh, fuck. There we go. Yes. We need to figure this out. It's my thinking music. So the main issue I'm having with the video game engine and me facing the NPC when I talk to them is the fact that the static image when you stop walking gets set like right when you stop walking. And for some reason I can't intercept it. I have changed the logic the way that I want to, which is what I think I'm noticing though is that it was already broken. So I think that when you walk and talk to somebody, the static image never gets hit. So watch, I'll show you. When I refresh this here, check it out. So when I walk towards him and he starts a cutscene, you see how I keep walking until I let go of the button? So I think that's wrong. What I want to do is when the cutscene starts, I want to halt all movement and go straight to a static image. And by static, I mean like he's not walking. But what it's doing is it's waiting until I let go, which is how the static logic works normally. It waits till you let go of the key to make him stop walking. But I want the cutscene to make him stop walking. That way I can control the direction the static image is facing. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. Let's figure it out. Harlow, what up, buddy? How you doing? What's up, Harlow? That's a good one. Got my arpeggiator working. Okay. So yes. So we already have, yeah. We already have the WordPress side of this. Is fine. Let's make sure we're logged into production. Yeah, that's your entrance music. Yeah, for sure, man. Just for you, bud. Okay. So this is good. Okay, so we're on local. We got to get this working. So I verified that this is not breaking anything. So regardless, me walking until you let go of the key is not going to make the static image show. So I really need to build the not the NPC, the main character static image logic to be, you know, a util function that I can hit. That way I can control it. So it's like stop walking function. That I wonder if I can make this stop walking function its own thing. But I'm using this for touch ends and stuff like that, so it passes an event. So I know which key I'm passing. Your phone died because it was texting the dentist because I'm going to... Oh, shit. 7 teeth pulled? What the fuck? You're getting 7 teeth pulled? You got a bunch of extra teeth, man? That's terrifying. What the hell? Are 4 of them your wisdom teeth or something? That's crazy. You just got too many teeth. That can happen, I guess. Getting your teeth pulled. They're all molars, yeah. Nah, you'll be alright. They'll drug you up nicely. Healing's gonna suck, but the initial surgery's gonna be fine. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, that's rough, man. Good luck. Then you're going to a baseball game the next day. Well, at least you don't have to talk at a baseball game. Just keep your mouth shut. Keep some ice handy. So I think the main thing we want to do is make this function right here. We want to make all this something I can hit whenever I want. Meaning I could make the static image show whenever I want. And I should also add that functionality with making the main character stop walking. So let's see if I can get away with this, because it doesn't look like any of this is needed. It's map char. Oh, okay, so I am using map char. Okay, but I think I can get away with using map char elsewhere too. So I can grab this. Or I can just pass it. So let's do this. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn this into a function. Set static MC image. And then we'll pass MC char or map char. There. So all we need to do is pass the map char. Okay. So let's go down here. Let's get out of this function. Let's make a new function right here. So function set MC static. Wait, what am I doing? I already forgot the function name. I have a horrible memory. You were trying to go to sleep early for it, but I just can't because I'm too nervous because my uncle had the same thing and he woke up from the anesthesia halfway through. Don't worry. Believe me, every year, medical technology gets better. Every year. I mean, even like when I've gotten like a root canal 10 years ago or whatever, it's completely gone. Now they don't even do root canals. Like, it's like completely changed. Dentistry is so fucking advanced. When your uncle got it, I'm sure. Unless he just got it last week, then I can't help you there. Set static MC image. Okay, here we go. Set static MC image. And then we'll just call it map char. Okay. So now this is its own function. It's one I can hit on my own. Ooh, let's change the Twitch category because I just remembered to do that. Game development. Coolio. Yes. Perfect. Peace. Alright. Back to business here. Okay, set stag. He got it about 6 to 7 years ago. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely advanced since then, man. He'll be alright. I mean, shit, they don't even do anesthesia sometimes anymore. They just local, you know, they just give you a little shot sometimes. When I got my wisdom tooth pulled, both of them, I only got one side pulled, so I got these two. They didn't even. I've never been put down for dentistry. They just shoot my gum up and called it a day. They prefer not to put you under, so. And my daughter just got like her first cavity, and we were super worried about it. They didn't even do a shot. They literally were able to just like take care of the drilling a little bit just to kind of rough it up and handle it without doing anything. Okay. So don't you worry none. Get some sleep, man. You want to be rested. Nothing worse than feeling any sort of pain of anything when you're tired, that's for sure. Alright. So this is now a function I can hit to set the static image. And I think I can make this one better, and instead of doing this whole fucking window face and let's do just direction equals nothing. So now we can do this. If that does not equal direction, then we'll do direction. Perf. Now we don't even need that window call anymore. Let's just call this function. Let's try this out. And I think map character is map char. Yeah. Map character, same thing. And then the direction. Alright, let's give it a shot. They're all baby teeth. What? I just don't lose them fast. Oh damn, that's crazy. When they pull one out just by a shot. Yeah, but I mean, it was the size of a full-grown tooth. Oh god, that's crazy. Yeah, I guess that happens. Some people just, you know, you just have too many teeth. You're a crocodile. Your son wouldn't happen to be a crocodile, would he? Alright. Let's do this. Ugh. Never was connected. Gross. Yeah, all you have to deal with is hearing the cracking of the teeth, right? That's the worst part, probably. Maybe smelling something, but yeah, I don't think I have to worry about any pain. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay, so I didn't fix the problem. It also didn't do what I wanted it to. But let's see. So if this gets hit. See, what I want is this to get hit and ignore this hitting it if it's already hit. So how do we do that? We need to, because this is going to get hit when you let go of the key. But if it's already hit, I don't want to worry about it. So technically, this should have been hit already, which is annoying. And it should not need to be hit twice. maybe we need to set this. Oh, here we go. Or does not equal direction. There we go. That should help. Actually, we can do this just to make sure it works. Or this and that. There we go. Okay, maybe this will work now. So now what I want to happen is this to take over and hit. Wait, what'd I do? Oh, I'm missing one. My bad. My bad, JavaScript. I got you. Alright, let's give it a shot. So now when I walk into him and he starts the cutscene, he shouldn't keep walking. No, it's ignoring the fucking static image call that I'm making. Alright, let's see if it's even hitting it. Should be. I don't know why it wouldn't. Actually, I guess we should probably just check these. Have you added any 3D printers in there? I have not. No, I'm not working on assets right now. I'm trying to get this functionality finished on the NPCs facing each other. All great ideas. All your great ideas, Harlow, are not happening until I'm done with the demo. I'm sorry. They're all literally like icing on the cake. And they're going to make the game even better. But none of them are happening until I'm done with the actual functionality of the game. Because there's too much to do. Yeah, I got to finish all the boring stuff first. 100%. And all those Easter eggs are just going to be fun shit that I get to add. Alright, try this again. Ready. Set. Up. See, it hit though. So it definitely hit. Unfortunately, why are all these hitting though? I mean, I know I have other static. So the image is fine. You know, I'm not even going to look at the image. I just want to know when the direction is added. Okay. Let's try it again. Okay, so it's empty, it's empty, it's empty. Okay, now when I go. See? Up. So why is the up static image not being used? It must be getting overridden by my holding the direction key. So it's completely ignoring whatever I do. Okay. Which is sort of fine. See, the problem is I don't think, like, technically I can't move. Really quickly, back to the dentistry. When they pulled out one of my teeth, I realized how monstrous it was. I got to take it home and turn it into a leg. That's disgusting. Look at this shark shark tooth I got. Just kidding, it's mine. Yeah, that's gross, man. No, that's cool. Yeah, so I think that the problem is that it's stopping him from moving, but it's not stopping the moving animation. So I need to connect those. So like if I go to where the actual walking is, which is right here. Where do I set the direction images? I forget. I think it's here? No. Yeah, so this is where I'm doing the whole set the static. This is the key up. No. No. That's all sounds. Where am I doing the image again? I keep having the fucking... bounce around finding it. There's a piece of quartz attached to it. That's very interesting too. So it's basically, so these are happening. And I have this interval. And I'm setting this. So it must, I must be doing the images in here. Or is it in the final position? I forget where I'm doing the images. Modal. No, it's not going to be in here. Not going to be in here. This is all like the logic when you run into shit. So it's got to be maybe in block movement. No. Get block direction. No, it's also not in here. Okay, we need to figure this out. Map icon, map character icon. Here we go. So this is where the static image. Oh, here. No, this is moving me. Direct character. This is where it's doing the image. Correct. Okay. Which I tried to overwrite this function before and it just doesn't work. But it seems like this is overriding my static image. Seems like it. Because I think this is getting hit. Yeah, over and over. Right? Wait, what? Movement interval. Am I doing this every 10 milliseconds? Oh, this is move character. This is different. No. This is different. This is the auto move functionality, I think. Okay. Hold on. No, this isn't what I wanted. Yeah, where's direct character getting called from? Oh, that's where it's getting called from. Okay. That's different. I need the normal movement shit. That's changing my image. Hold on. Let's find it. It's not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. No. 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 Main char. I can never fucking find anything I need to find. Okay. Direction. No. No, we don't need this. No. Okay, maybe it is in here. It is in here. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Hold on. Where am I? I'm in Miro Explorer. Okay, so it is where, okay. So it's inside of this. So the problem we're having then is that I think this is overriding me setting this shit. So that means that I need fight image. I need to do something like this. where it doesn't update the image if whatever, blah. And I thought I would have had the walking. Wait, where's the fucking walking logic thing? Like, don't move window function. Yeah, where is that? Like can move or whatever, can move. No, that's for NPCs, I think. Where's the walking interval? Something like that. No, not the walking interval. Where's the fucking window? Window dot walk. No, window dot move. Movement interval. No. Like, how do I... Oh, allow movement. That's what it is. So, what the fuck does this control then? No, like in an if statement. Oh, here we go. So this stops the actual movement. Is that it though? I think so. So I need this to also stop the image movement change, so that I can control it elsewhere. Okay, well, let's just do that then. But where was I? So first off, we need, if we're setting a static image, yeah, see, I don't want to do this. This is fine now. But if we're doing this, I want the user to not be walking, which is fine. But now I need to go to the image swapping portion, which is in Miro. Explore position, way down here. Here. And true equals. There we go. Because what happens is, when the cutscene starts, it makes the allow movement false, which it should. But what it's not doing is stopping this image from being changed. So I think now it shouldn't be overriding my static image that I'm setting. Maybe. Let's find out. Well, that doesn't help me. I need to get out of his way first. All right, here we go. It's still not working. The only thing I can think of is that it's setting it still before or it's setting it again after I already set mine. So we need to do this. Console log. Hey. 1. And then we'll go to face NPC. And then we'll do console on hey 2. So I want hey 2 to be the last console. So if hey 1 gets set again after, then I know that it's getting overwritten. This will help me kind of determine what's fucking happening. So hey 1's going over and over, and then when I do this, hey 2 should be the last one. See, it is. Meaning the static image should be set. But for some reason... even though the interval's stopping and it's setting, me having my key down, I think I need to remove the... Doesn't make any sense. Because this works when I let go of the key. But it's not working when I just set it, which doesn't make any sense. Well, let's see what we get here. Because if this isn't getting hit, then... Oh, well, let's see if this is getting hit. Fucking dog hair everywhere. Static ID. Hey, one, let's get rid of you. We don't need that anymore. We know where you're getting hit, and this is actually correct, which is good, but not great. Okay. Okay, so now MC up static. It's getting hit. But me holding the right key is keeping this going. Even though it, and look, it's letting me as if I'm not stopping. Doesn't make any sense. It's like those key down events are overriding everything, which again, I mean, there's window variables that should be blocking it. So this is getting hit, meaning, well, let's check this. What was it? MC up static, which is definitely a thing. MC up static. Oh, it's not. Shit. Is that why? What am I doing wrong? Oh, it should be fucking static up. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I really hope I haven't been just wasting my time. And it was that the whole time. If it's the fact that it's just the ID didn't exist this whole... I mean, that's good. At least we figured it out, but that is really fucking annoying. Ugh. Alright, come on. We got this. Oh my god, that was it. Perfect. And look, I can walk normally. It's perfect. Alright, so now that that's working, I need it to make the person face the right direction. So I need to get into that logic. Okay, now we're getting firmware. Well, at least I have a nice function now to set my static image whenever I want. And I can just give it the direction to face, and it'll face me that direction, which is pretty cool. So if there's any reason I need to face the direction with a static image, I can do that. Alright, so now what we need to do is actually figure out which direction. And the problem is we need to change this logic, because if MC top is greater than NPC top, then yes, the NPC is above me, but, or, you know, a little higher than me, not above me. So what we actually need to do is determine if my top position is greater than their bottom position. And that will involve some offset fucking height and width. So let's do that. So I was trying to avoid having to do top, bottom, left, right, but now we're gonna need that. So the left position is here, left. We have that. We have top. So now we need MPC right, which will be MPC left plus MPCL offset width. Okay? And then MC right. Oh no, let's do it. MPC bottom equals MPC top plus MPC L offset height. So that's the height plus the top position. So I'll give you the bottom position. That's how it works. Same as that here. We'll do MC right equals MC left plus map character us. Okay. This is where we have to actually mess around with this, because that is technically my center point, not my left point. So my left point would be, it's 800. I need to minus my width divided by 2 from, no, I need to add minus 400 is center minus half of my width. So left is actually 400 minus map, oh shit. So we need to do this actually. Const MC left cont equals that. So then we can do MC. Yeah, so it's a little bit diff. So now we can do MC left cont plus 400 minus MC left cont divided by 2. Okay. Math. Get with it. Or get under it. I don't know. And then let's do MC top cont equals this. Alright. And we'll do the same thing for this. We'll do MC top cont plus 300 minus, no, left, it's not left, it's, shit, hold on. No, I need the offset width of my character. Oh shit. Oh, right. This is annoying. MC width equals and map character dot query selector map icon character icon dot engage, which is my image. Oh, maybe I should just use the fucking image then to get the calculation. What am I thinking? Yeah, I don't need to go crazy with all this. Let's just do that. So this is MC whatever image equals that. Cool. So now we have the image to get the width and height. I still need the left position. Yeah. So I can't just replace it. but we can do this now. So not this, but it's MC image dot offset width divided by 2. And now we have right, which is MC left, plus MC image offset width. Yes. Right. Yes, correct. And then MC top is the container plus 300 minus MC image offset height divided by 2. Same thing. Then we have right MC. Oh, no. Yes. No, that's bottom. That's MC bottom. MC top is... Oh no, that is. That's MC top. Yeah. Now we need MC bottom equals MC top plus MC image offset height. There we go. We got it. So now we have all the directions. We have all the 4 points of the NPC and the 4 points of me. So now the way it works is left would be, so are they on my left side? Which is basically, is my left side greater than their right side? So MC left greater than NPC right. Okay. And then const is right equals is my right side less than their left side. Okay. So is right is left, yeah. And then we can do is top equals is MC is my top greater than their bottom. NPC bottom. And now is bottom is my bottom less than their top. Okay. So now knowing all of these, we need to figure out, you know, if they're both true, you know, that means, actually, I think only one of them can be, no, 2 of them can be true because they can be diagonal from you. But when you're talking to an NPC, you have to be touching them, meaning not all of them can be the same. Like I can't hit them diagonally and talk to them. I don't think I can. Let's assume you can't. So whichever one is true, we'll make it that direction. So blah. Is the fridge open? Or is the dishwasher done? I might have to check on that. Okay. So now that I know if any of these are true, so I need to pass. Now I need to pass the direction that is true. Right, I'm fucking myself. So let's do this. direction equals false. Okay. And we'll do this then. So direction. So if that's true, then it's left. Otherwise false. That'll be the first one. Next is direction. Right. Otherwise direction. Okay. And we'll just keep going down the line. So if that's true, then it's top. Is it top or up? I think it's up. Then direction. Then direction. This is bottom. Oh. Or is it down? I think it's bottom. Hold on. I gotta check these images real quick. Stack up. So it is up. MC up. And then MC bottom. Oh, it is down. Okay, so down. Gotta get that right. Alright. Here we go. Default is false. So if false does not equal direction, then set it. Oh shit. Okay, that was so fucking complicated. I apologize. It's redundant. Fine. Whatever. We don't need it then. Okay. This should work. What the fuck's with YouTube and Twitch? Why is it so dead? This is crazy. I went like 2 weeks where we had like fucking 20 people watching it at one time. And now all of a sudden YouTube decided not to show my YouTube Shorts live feed anymore apparently. Alright. Here we go. What? Why did you log me out? You son of a bitch. Okay. I'll play game. Oh my fucking god. Okay, continue. Alright. Will this put me in the right direction? We'll find out. So. Okay. I was walking towards him, but I'm facing right, which is correct. Let's try again. If I come from the top, will it work? So let's see if he runs into me and I'm facing up. Will I face him? Alright, well now I'm facing. I can't tell. It's harder because I have to like walk to them, so I'm always kind of facing them, which is fine. So I know the more important is going to be the NPC facing me, but I need him to walk into me. 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 I want it to turn me to the right. Oh, maybe I can force it. No, I can't. Maybe I can drag an item to force it. I don't have any items in here. Come on. Hit me, bitch. Can I push this wall? Come on. Go. 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 That way. Hit me. Hit me. It's not working. Come on. What the hell? Wait. God damn it. Hold on. Did I already have the cutscene? Okay, well that didn't work. Okay, it seems like it's always going right. He is technically to the right of me, and not completely to the bottom, so it's still right, but so far I've only been able to trigger right. I might have to try this with another NPC. It does seem like it is changing my direction. I just wish I could force it and see him. You know, let's try another NPC. Let's see if, what's his fuck, Cranston can hit me up. Alright, hit me up. Hit me. Ah, come on. Hit me. Damn it. I mean, I am facing the right way, but I can't tell if it was because of me walking or not. Yeah, this is gonna be hard to test. I need to force this. I'm going to drag him into me. Okay. So that did not work. If my logic is supposed to be correct. I am still facing to the right. Yeah, see, it's not even turning me. Alright, so we need to figure this out. Why? Let's see what direction we're getting. Let's see what it's setting. Bum, 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 bum. False. Okay. So it seems like none of these are true. Great. Well, that means that I'm doing something wrong here. So we need to see what some of these numbers are giving us. Because if MC left is greater than NPC right, that's left plus the offset width. I need to see what some of these numbers are, maybe. Let's do MC left and NPC right. Because that would mean he's on the left of me, which he is right now, so it should be turning me left. So here we go. Oh my god, fuck off. And go. MC left. Wait, what order was it in? MC left is less than NPC right. How is that possible? That is incorrect. Because his left, oh, I mean his right, maybe that's right. So if I'm right here, his 1910 is his left plus the width. I don't think he's that wide. How wide is he? He's only a, oh, okay. Yeah, he's 115. Okay, so that actually seems right. But my left is definitely wrong then. Because my left, because I'm 90 wide, my left should be, because I'm 400 minus 1/2 of 90, that's 45. So left should be 2041 minus that, so 19 Shit, was it right? 1996. Okay, that's actually right too. Okay, how can that be? How is that possible? I need some buffer maybe. Is it because we're just too close? We're kind of overlapping maybe? Maybe. Maybe there's some overlap. So I need to give some buffer then. So basically I need a little buffer from the NPC. So I need their right side to be a little bit in. So NPC left is this. But let's do plus 50. Plus 50. We'll just do like a 50 buffer. Top. Their top. Plus 50. Okay. So top and left have some buffer now. So that should mean that the rest of them should have some buffer too then. Because that means that the NPC left side with a little buffer plus the offset width actually needs... Oh no, I need to go the opposite way. So it has 50, but now I need to do like minus 100. To opposite buffer. Same here. Minus 100. Alright, let's see if that works. I'm interested now if this will work. So I think what's happening is that I dragged him over and he's kind of like inside me a little bit. So I need some buffer. He's inside me. Okay. It made me face down. That's not correct. It's still showing that he's... No. See that? Oh, okay. So now the buffer is fucking me. Okay, that's good to know. So the buffer's screwing me up now. Because now it's... You can't tell if he's actually down or not. Maybe I need to do less of a buffer. Let's do 25. 25. Then that may... We only need to do minus 50. Alright, let's try that with less of a buffer. Too much buffer. Go. Okay. So, my left, his right. Not enough buffer now. Let's... It's still saying he's down though, so it's still too much buffer for the bottom. Okay. See, I don't know if I'm solving the wrong problem right now. That's the problem. Because technically, we'll never start where we're like past each other. So there should be enough buffer, to be honest. Let's like get out of this zone. And then try again, like manually making him touch me. Touch me. It's still saying down. Why is it saying down? That's weird. It's definitely working though. I am changing direction. Let me try this again. So down is bottom. My bottom is less than his top. There's no fucking way that his top is below my feet. That doesn't make any sense. So this is wrong. So something's wrong. So MC bottom is my top position plus my height. And my top is the container plus 300 minus my height divided by 2. Because it's 600 pixels to get to my center point. 300 minus half of my height. Yeah, I mean, that should be correct. Doesn't make any sense, though. Wait. My bottom is less than his top. My bottom is less than his top. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. How's that possible? So is NPC top wrong then? NPC top is just my top position for the element. Even plus 25, there's no way that his top is past my bottom there. So let's actually see what those numbers are giving us. So NPC top and MC bottom, because that just seems super weird. All right. Oh shit, there we go. Found the problem. There is a wrong parsing going on with NPC top. Ah, here we go. There we go. I wrapped it in the parsing. That's my fault. Okay, we should be good now. I'm actually so confident I'm gonna get rid of these. Okay. Good. Yes. Good. Ho, 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 ho. So now I should face left when I restart. Yay! Cool. I'm talking to him. I'm facing him. Now, we need to do the same thing with NPCs. That will be difficult. Mostly because they don't have other directions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dummy images. Oh, I'm in production. Let's not do it in production. I'm going to put dummy images on Cranston for his left and right, and we'll do the same thing. We'll force him to look at me. Look at me. So his static left will be Iona. His static right will be Salverson. So I'm gonna make him turn into Salverson when he talks to me. Sweet. Love it. Let's see if he changes images when he walks to the left now. Should work. Oh. That didn't work. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a static. Yeah. He's never static. Wait, let's see if he stops walking. Will he change the static? He didn't change the static. Or maybe he did. Static. Will he change static images when he stops walking? I assume the pausing would be considered him turning static, but I don't know if I added that logic yet. I added it for the repeatable paths, and I think if I walk into him and make him stop, he'll... Oh no, he's just avoiding me. Right. That's only for, that only is for when they're on a set walking path. Because they'll actually avoid me. So I didn't have to do it that way. Okay. Well, step one is we need them to change direction, I guess. Alright, well, for now, let's just get them... the NPC facing me on cutscenes. So to do that, I already have the logic for Changing static for NPCs, which I'm doing on the path. So move NPC. I added the static logic here. So this sets the static NPC when it pauses. And this is the one that I'm doing for the tracking path. This is... yeah. No, this is the walking interval. So this has nothing to do with wandering, though. The wandering people are different. But I do have the set static NPC image. So all I need to do is do the direction, the name of the NPC, I guess, the NPC itself, and then the image. Yeah, this is the one I need to figure out. What is new image? New image is update NPC direction image. I don't know. I guess this is how I was changing the direction that they were walking. Yeah, it's NPC moving. Okay. I guess I'm just using the direction that they're walking. So this is just the image. This is actually current image. And this is if this equals this and this equals this. Right. And true does not equal, and NPC is stopped. I'm setting it to true. That way it only does it once. Okay. Okay, well in that case I need to... I don't know. I don't know how I want to handle this. Because wandering is like a separate thing. You've seen an HTML RPG engine, so this is not as weird as it may first seem. Thanks, Autistic Tech Support. Yeah. I mean, I think it's only weird because of how integrated it is into WordPress, right? Because, yeah, I mean, you can have like a simple HTML RPG engine, but this is so like integrated into a WordPress plugin that I developed that it's like it's a WordPress game engine. It's not just like an HTML RPG maker. It outputs as HTML, but like the amount of JavaScript functionality and, you know, game logic that you can do in this game is staggering, including breaking plants. Oh, looks like I already broke them all. So yeah, it is the world's first WordPress-based RPG game engine, that's for sure. Not the first game engine that's been integrated into WordPress, but the first one that's been built using WordPress only. That's for sure. Which is very weird. And a pain in the fucking ass, I'll be honest. Okay. So, how do we want to make the NPC face me when the cutscene starts? Obviously, we need to trigger it the same place. Before cutscene, we need to trigger the NPC static image. So, I need to use this function, which I hope... Okay, good. This is completely out. And basically all it does is takes the current image, removes, and then sets the static image based off of the direction that I gave it. Super simple. Which I could actually make this more simple. No, I don't. That's fine. I don't need to do that. Yeah, the only reason why I could make this more simple is I don't need the NPC name. And in fact, I think that's why this is stupid. Because I have the current image. I should be able to get the new image just by changing the class and query selecting that. But I think I'm doing it this way so that way I can actually make sure it's the right NPC that I'm changing. It still doesn't make sense why I would need to do it like this. Because all I would need to do is this. And then the new image would be document.querySelector. And then we could get the ID would just be, I mean, I could even do get element by ID. And it would just be this current image dot ID replace and replace move direction with static do I need both? Hold on. No, I just need one. Oh no, I do. I need both. Move direction. There you go. So that would be it. That would be the new image. So I can actually get rid of NPC, which is one thing I didn't want to pass. And I don't need NPC name either. I just simplified that function. Hell yeah. Cool, so all I need is the direction and the current image. Should be able to do that. Let's go back to where I'm using this. And I only need the image. And I only need the image. Nice. Good for me. Okay. That being said, now I need to use this function before cutscene, which I think I can do. So before cutscene. Actually, where am I stopping the NPC from moving? I know I have, yeah, so I have the NPC right here for the cutscene. If NPC cutscene break true. So this is the cutscene break. This is where I need to actually swap their shit. So I don't have to, I guess I don't need to put in the before cutscene. I can put it right here. Set static image. And now the move direction is the issue. I need to get that logic going. The new image would be, it's the current image, not new image, but NPC query selector that, wait, what was it? It's like their engaged image. Oh yeah, it's like their name direction. So I guess it's actually character oh, it's okay, got it. Yeah, but I need their name. So the NPC is right here. I have their name right. I guess I can use clean class name to get it from their class. Bloop. Or am I already, do I already have it here? NPC data. Oh, right here. Cutscene dataset character. Boom. I don't even need to fuck around with that. Okay. So now the new image is document.querySelector, and that is their name as an ID. It's their name plus the direction. Oh, no. Yeah, it's the name plus the direction. Okay. Maybe I do need NPC. Here we go. This is what I need. Character, icon, engage. That's what I need. Okay, I made that way more complicated than it needed to be. Okay, here we go. Cool. So that's the image, that's the direction. Okay, but I need to figure out the direction now. So we'll need another function, which is get face NPC face direction, and we'll pass the NPC to that, and we'll call that move direction. If false does not equal, I'm just gonna pass false if it doesn't work. Then we're good. Okay, so I need a new function. And I'm going to use the same logic that I do for what I was doing. The face NPC. But now, I think I can do the same thing. I think I can do the same thing. I should be able to reuse this. But what I would do is do the opposite. So is NPC, we'll just do the opposite. So blah, 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 blah. I need to do the opposite direction. So I need to make direction be whatever it is, but opposite. So then if is NPC, then we'll do switch case, direction, and then case, you know, left, direction equals right. Break, case, right. This is kind of stupid, but this is better than nothing. Case, top, no, up. Direction down. And then I can reuse the same exact logic, which will be helpful. Break, case down, direction up. Oh, whoops. I was like, why is this not working? Okay. Break. Great. Let's do that. We'll default it to false. Cool. So now I can call this during my thing. You know, this is getting called at the same time. So why don't I do both? Why don't I just do this? Set static NPC image, right? And we just do this NPC direction, NPC direction, NPC direction. You know, might as well just run them at the same time. I have what I need. And then we'll do, wait, what is it I need? Move direction, so NPC direction. And then I just need the current image, which I can get from the NPC, because I have the NPC here. Perfect. And I can just steal what I just did in that other one. And we don't even need this. This is going to get hit every time. We don't need the extra shit. We can just do let direction and let NPC direction. Cool. This one we actually can default to false. I mean, I could just add a default to the switch case, but whatever. Okay, now get rid of this. So now these will run at the same time. Should work. Where is that logic that I just wrote? Right here. I need you. We don't need this. We need this. Yes. And we can do this. Cool. So we do that. We do that. And then here we do that. That is possibly the easiest solution I could come up with. And hopefully works. Yeah, because whatever direction I'm facing, I need them to face the opposite. Every time. It's that simple. Okay. So let's make him face the opposite. Alright, something broke. What did we do? Is not a function. What? Character icon engage. Okay. So NPC is not working. It looks like this. Oh, it's NPCL. My bad. Well, at least it's running in the right place. Hey, Sama, what up, bud? Welcome to the party. We are almost there. We're gonna get him to face us. Is he facing us? I don't think he is. No, he's not. It's stuck on his static. Okay. So why is that not working? Let's go to the static NPC function and see what's going on. So I have the current image. Remove engage. I don't know if that's working. And then all I'm doing is getting the current ID. Oh, I think it's because of the way that static is set. So, oh, I need to get rid of that dash. That's why. This. Aha! I think we got it now. No, because if we move the NPC, so if we, right here, if we get rid of that, static up. Oh, okay, no, that's right. Okay. Let's see, this should work now. Alright, see if it works now. Face me. Damn it. Okay, it's still not working. Let's double check that this was built. Yes, because it should be replacing the ID. The move direction that I'm passing with static move direction and the current image. Oh, but if the current image has static in it already, then it'll be screwed up. I mean, I don't think that's the case right now, but that would be a problem. Oh no, because yeah, it's just showing his default Cranston static, even when he's walking. Yeah, so that's probably the issue. So let me get rid of static as well as the direction. So if I get rid of static, shoot. Maybe that's why I was doing the NPC name. You managed to not distract myself from making a custom game barrier. You have 2 that I need your guidance. Oh, okay. Which one should I use for my barrier 1 or 2? Let's check. Barrier. Or barrier. Oh, I'm getting more barrier vibe from the purple one. Yeah, go purple. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. So yeah, it feels like it'd probably be more stable if I just used the NPC name as well. Which that's really annoying to get though. I think I need to fix NPC images, their image class names. It should be like mine. Because my image classes, or my image IDs are name dash direction. By default, name dash static. And it'd be better if I could just get rid of everything but name. I guess I could. Yeah, I guess I could do that regardless. So we could do this. Const NPC name equals ID. Dot replace. You know, static with nothing. Up with nothing. Right, because that's how they work. It's like dash. Carol, fuck off. Oh yeah. So it's just like up. Well, if I did this, and I just got rid of all the directions, then it would be like name dash. Which then I could just replace the dash with static dash direction. Unless it's static and doesn't have a dash. No. Yeah, because I didn't want to have a dash to replace. We'll get rid of the dash too then. Left. Right. Dash. Okay. So now we should just be left with the NPC name. And then all we have to do now is do NPC name plus static plus move direction. And that should be the new image. I'm making me and the NPC face each other when we're talking in a cutscene. It just makes things a lot more, you know, immersive, I guess you could say. Because when you're having a cutscene and you're talking to somebody and we're like both facing other directions, it's really random. I'm also forcing me to be in a static image set. So right now, boom, it worked. Right, exactly. So now I'm forcing them to face me, basically. So I'll show you, I can probably do it right now with Salverson. So right now he's facing down, but if I move over here, he should face me. Oh shit, he doesn't have a left image. Okay. I guess I didn't set one for him. I think. Right? Doesn't look like he has anything. What happened? Why don't you have anything? Oh, that's the trigger. Where's he? Map character. That's me. Character icon. That's me. That's Giles. Cranston. Salverson. He doesn't have any left. Or maybe he doesn't have left static? Oh no, he does. Oh no, he doesn't. It's empty. Okay. Whoops. Well, I didn't know that. Let's make him face the right, because he does walk to my right. Let's see if I can get to his right side. Okay, here we go. Face me. What the hell? Did I not set up his right image either? I thought I did. Hold on, fuck off. What the fuck? Oh, it's all the same image. I think it must be in the... Oh shit, is this gonna fuck up when he's walking? I didn't even think about that. Ooh, I'm gonna have to fix that. I already know I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm coming. Okay. I bet you right now he's gonna stop walking when I talk to him. Or he's not gonna talk to me at all? What the hell? Where is he? Oh no! We lost Salverson. How is that even possible? Oh, there he is. Shit! Oh, he's gone. I wonder if it's because it's trying to set it to an image that doesn't exist. What the fuck? Where is he? He's right there. Okay, I'm confused. What is going on? He's there, but he doesn't have any images. Oh. I got rid of all the dashes, so I probably screwed up the image name now. Okay, so I can't get their name like that. I need to pass their name using clean class name. Or the cutscene name. Let's actually do that. NPC name. We have to do it that way. There's no reason to screw it up like that. Just for funsies. And is that the same? Yeah, it is. Okay. So let's do it like that. And then let's go back to these. And pass NPC name. Which I have. Which, how am I getting? Clean class name, that's what I thought. Yeah. I'll have to do the same thing. Yeah, because I'm not even passing the NPC anymore. Right? Wait, what the fuck? No, that's right, because I have the image. Yeah, I need to do that. Okay. NPC name. And you. NPC name. NPC L. Alright. There we go. I guess technically I could just pass the NPC and then get the current image and the name from that. That would probably be cleaner, actually, now that I think about it. Shit. Alright, hold on. We're gonna do that instead. I keep changing it. And we're gonna change this to NPC. And we're just going to pass NPC. Okay. Same for you. We're just passing NPC. That's all we need. Direction and the NPC. And then we're going to get current image like this. Current image equals NPC. And then we'll get the NPC name right here. Boom. Clean. Oops. All right. Now, this should work regardless of the NPC. The battle's already been won. What? Correct. Sorry, I missed all your dialogue. Okay, how come this trigger's not working? I think I already triggered him. Yeah, see, he stopped walking. He faced my direction properly, but I need to not do that if the NPC has a walking path. But I do want to do it if they want to walk, if they have a walking path too. Maybe it's better that he stops walking back and forth. It's more natural if he's just talking. Because I mean, in the book, I guess in the book, I don't have him pacing back and forth the entire time when he's talking. I was just trying to like convey a sense of like, I don't know, like nervousness or like, you know, he's kind of like pacing out of something. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. Because I don't think he has a down direction. But I don't think I'm mad at him stopping walking when we talk. But I want to see if it works when I trigger the cutscene. So if I just go here, because technically, you know, you could walk around. But see, you don't see him, so why am I even making him walk if he's just gonna stop walking? Oh no, he's not. He didn't stop walking. Okay. But it did try to show his down walking animation. Okay. So maybe I do want to not do that. I think what I'll do is if it has a... No. Yeah. If it has a cutscene trigger... No. I was going to say if it has... Well, if it has a cutscene trigger... So many choices to make. Because I do like him walking. But like, I could have an NPC walking around the map, and then when I, you know, touch them or whatever, it triggered. Like the wandering NPCs, I already stopped them, you know, and make them walk. But I guess those aren't like defined paths. But if I do want to have him walking and then I walk up to him and it should make him stop and talk to me. Then I would want him to face me. Because right now what's going to happen is when I trigger this, it's going to show his down static image floating until it gets to the end, and then it's going to change its direction. And like with him, he's probably going to die right now. Yeah. Because he's facing me, but he's already facing me technically, so I could just make all the same image. Yeah, this is hard. I don't really know how I want to handle the walking NPC facing me. I guess I could combat that with just making his down image the right walking. Right? I mean, unless he's walking left, then the down image would be wrong. Yeah, so that workaround won't work. Maybe I need an option to just make it so a certain NPC just won't face me on cutscene. It's kind of like that's like an edge case though, so it's really weird to have an option for that. You remember naming my NPCs meme names. One was just a really long name. It was just the entire song. I had it in a folder, what the hell? And others didn't want to deal with it, so we had to rename it in Portal 2 reference. Oh, that's funny. Okay. I think we solved what we wanted to do today, though. NPCs are now facing me, and I am facing them upon cutscene. So I have two things going on now on cutscene with NPCs and me. First of all, the NPC, it scrolls to them. So if they're out of the screen, it'll scroll to them so you can see them. That's something we already had. Secondly, now my character and the NPC will face the exact same, or, you know, opposite directions in order to face each other. So with that, I definitely think I'm just going to add an option to not do that. So like I'll do for NPCs, like I still want to face whoever I'm talking to, but I need to give it the NPCs an option to not face me. So to do that, we'll need to basically add this, like if NPC L.dataset don't face, you know, equals true. Does not equal true. Then do that. It's going to be like that. So now I just need to create the option, add the data point. It'll be a yes, no, you know, radio option. Or just a checkbox or something like that. And then, yeah. Then we can make it so the static image doesn't get set for whoever. Okay. I think that's about it for tonight, guys. Hey, Autistic Tech Support, thanks for jumping on. Harlow, always appreciate you jumping on, my friend. Sama, thanks for hanging out for a bit. Sorry I had to leave, even though you just got here, basically. And yeah, everybody who's been jumping in and out of stream, which has been not a lot, but, you know, got a lot of work done. Thanks for hanging out. Go get some work done, Sama. And I'll catch everybody on the next one. Goodbye.